Do your dark spots fade only to look exactly the same a few weeks later? The reason is simple. Most products focus on just one aspect of pigmentation. Cutivase's 10% niacinamide plus 1% kojic acid and vitamin B5 serum is powered by a 7-active brightening system designed to target dark spots and pigmentation from multiple angles. 10% niacinamide helps improve skin clarity and balance excess white. 1% kojic acid helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and post-acne marks, while stable vitamin C, alpha-arbutin, vitamin B5, turmeric and witch hazel support a brighter, more even-looking complexion. Lightweight, fragrance-free, dermatologically tested. Made for Indian skin and weather conditions. With consistent use and a proper skincare routine, achieve healthier looking, more radiant skin. Get a smarter approach to dark spots free, pigmentation free and more even looking skin. Shop now.